Anna.
And I am Ugne.
I come from Wrocław, a city in the southwestern part of Poland.
And I come from Ylakiai, a town in the northwestern part of Lithuania.
Now we are here in Ylakiai as the part of Erasmus Plus student exchange.
Today we are going to talk and learn about diversity in the broad sense, about what unites us, what divides us, how we see the world, how we look at the reality surrounding us.
We would like to ask a few questions about what we think, how we feel, and what we dream about.
So, let's start!
What is your favorite school subject and why?
My favorite school subject is art class in music because I love music, I love to listen to music, I love playing instruments, and I love to draw.
My favorite school subject is music because through music you can express yourself.
My favorite school subject is biology because I love learning about nature and the human body.
My favorite school subject is music or Lithuanian language. Why? Because I'm good at it.
My favorite school subject is literature because I love reading books, and in literature you can get to know about it more, and I love learning about it.
What dream you want to make true?
I want to become a psychologist, and I would like to buy a new electric guitar.
I dream of having a wonderful and a happy and a healthy future with fun experiences.
I would like to find a hobby that really suits me because right now I am going through a lot of new things and I've found a lot of things that I like.
I really want to become a lawyer and visit New York City.
My biggest dream is to travel the whole world and make from it the best experience as possible as I can.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I play volleyball, sometimes go on late night walks, just chill at home or make TikTok videos.
I like to go on long walks, watch movies, read books and sing.
One of those would be going on walks with my dog. Sometimes I like to run.
In my free time, I like to watch some Netflix, listen to music and just chill in my bed.
In my free time, I love to read books, go for a walk in nature, and I also love playing volleyball.
What side of clothing do you like and what do you like best on others?
I really like a clean and elegant style, and on others I like any kind of piece of clothing because I feel like clothes are how people dress up is the way they express themselves.
Okay.
The most I love when people can express themselves through clothes, so it's and also I try to use it for myself, so in general I don't care what kind of specifically it's a piece of clothing. I just love when people feel comfortable wearing it and just feel themselves.
On me and on others, I like casual, simple, chic style.
Okay.
I like all the styles that look good on others.
Okay.
What is the most annoying thing about your school and why you don't like it?
The most annoying thing about my school is the canteen. I hate the smell, hate the food. I haven't been there since like 2nd or 3rd grade.
The most annoying thing about my school would be very loud people in places that you're meant to be relaxing.
The teachers who are always mad and annoyed by us, and they still teach us their old ways.
Maybe that the teachers give a test one day before and you don't have time to prepare yourself.
Some kids that go in 5th and 6th grade because they are very mean and they are very loud and do a lot of bad things in school.
What country do you like to visit and why?
I would love to visit Austria because it has one of the most popular music schools in Europe.
I would like to visit America, Switzerland, Netherlands, Brazil, Australia, so basically the whole world. Why? Because I like to travel.
I would like to visit Italy because I would like to learn about their culture, how they live, see the sights, and the experience is just a wonderful thing for me.
I would like to visit Poland Specifically, I would like to go to Zakopane because it's very beautiful nature, and those mountains and those pools are very beautiful.
I would love to visit Canada because of its beautiful nature, mountains and other beautiful things that there is. Also because of my favorite cousin who lives in there. I would love to visit her, and yeah, I love the country.
What is the biggest stereotype of your country?
Well, I believe that many people think that us Lithuanians are very unfriendly and emotionally distant, but we are actually very warm and very welcoming once a relationship is established.
I think one of the biggest one is that many people usually mix our country with our neighbor countries like Latvia or Estonia and think that we are absolutely the same, speak the same language, do the same things, but that's absolutely not true. We have our own different culture and we are really different from them.
I think the biggest stereotype of my country is that a lot of people think that we are mean people, but we are actually very friendly, I think, in my opinion, and stereotype that a lot of people think that we are small, like people are small, but actually there is a lot of people that are very high.
The biggest population, a lot of people like to play basketball. There are other sports that we play, but the most is basketball.
The biggest stereotype about my country is that people think that we're a part of Russia, or that we all speak Russian, or that our language is similar to Russian. That is not true. What advice would you give to another student who is thinking about applying for an Erasmus Plus project?
I think that you should stay positive, be friendly and know the language, especially English, but it's not necessary, I think.
So for sure they need to know English, because if they don't, they're going to do nothing, because we always talk in English. And they need to feel comfortable in talking, because you need to communicate with people you don't know.
You have to learn English.
Be yourself and be friendly to other people.
I think you need to be friendly, you need to know the English and be positive.
Be friendly and smile.
Yes! I think I told people don't stress and told him it's a nice experience.
What kind of person do you consider being a good friend?
Honest, loyal, emotional.
Friend for me should be supportive, loyal and trustworthy.
Thank you. Oh, I think I choose for my friend person who have the same moral of me.
In my opinion, my friend should be honest.
What were your first impressions when you came to Lithuania?
Well, you have a lot of storks, way more than we have in Poland, and weather is actually similar, so yeah.
That is really similar to Poland. I mean, it's not a surprise because we are neighbors, so like, yeah, but I thought that maybe it's going to look a little more different than it looked like.
I think beautiful views, like landscapes, the beautiful forests.
Has many trees.
I think people are more relaxed and open to new friends.
No! Nie, ja nie chcę. Nie, ja chcę z czapką. Mogę z czapką. No! Every people speak very good English.
I was shocked there are so many cows here.
How long can you go traveling before you start to miss home?
I think 3 weeks, 4 days, 4 hours and 50 minutes.
I have moments when I miss my home.
I think 2 weeks.
Good question is what you mean by home, because for me home is with people. I mean, when you feel comfortable with some people, I can call it home. So when I travel with people I like family or close friends, then I don't miss home because I treat them as home.
I think around 1 week.
It depends on time and weather.
I think a couple of weeks, like 2 or 3.
3 weeks.
Why did you go on this Erasmus Plus trip?
To improve my language and meet new friends.
I have two reasons. My main reason is to not go to school and the second reason to meet new people.
Because I really like to travel and meet new people.
Because I would like to meet new people.
Because I think it's a nice experience.
So I want to visit every country in the world, and I think that's good experience, and I want to meet other people.
Because I wanted to give it a try.
We are here in Ylakiai, Poland and
Lithuanians. We may seem different. We speak different languages, have our own traditions, celebrate differently, sometimes look at the world differently.
But honestly, we probably have more in common than we think.
Yes, you are right. We want to travel, explore the world and meet new people in the same way.
We listen to the same music, dress alike, hang out online and scroll TikTok.
And maybe that's why being here together matters.
Bye!